MIUI 11 battery drain fix. So friends, today in this video I'm going to tell you about 5 tips and tricks that will help you to resolve any problems in Xiaomi devices that is faced by updating MIUI 11. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates. And from 18th March I will start streaming on this channel, so subscribe for gaming contents and many more. So first of all, you need to go to setting. In the setting you need to go to search bar and then you need to type battery. Okay, when you have typed this one, then you need to go to battery optimization. Then you need to check this. It will be unchecked by you. Sorry for my English. So you need to check it and then you need to go to battery user state. As you can see that I am I am using this phone from about 23 hour and 11 minutes and 16 seconds since last charge is showing that. And now as you can see milliamp per hour, you can see 814.71 mAh, 747.599 point, because it consumes much battery than any other. Okay, so first setting that you was that you need to turn on the battery saver, then you need to go to setting and then you need to go to battery and performance, then you need to click on app battery saver. In the app battery saver there is something magical, so you need to go to source system app, then select all. You need to tick restrict background activity. I have told you in many videos that you need to click on restrict background activity, but you need to click on no restrictions. Okay, it will and it is saying that it will not restrict anything, but actually it will restrict because its system is slightly optimized for the performance. So you need to go to setting, and the third and the most important setting here comes, that is you need to go to privacy. Here the privacy is not showing in my phone, so I have searched it. Now you need to go to privacy, then you need to click on user experience program. This consumes much battery than usual. It should have to be turned off because it consumes data and battery also. So you need to do this as it is uh, in my phone. So we have done all the things. Then the last option is that you need to go to GPS. In your phone their location access will be on, so you need to click on device only, then you need to click on off, and then you need to click on back. That's all you need to do, and that will work in your phone, and you can get better battery life without anything.